In this video, you will discover how to paint a three-color portrait in watercolor using the wash and outline technique. This portrait was a preliminary artwork of a much bigger oil painting, which Natalie created in the style and technique of the Old Masters. If you would like to learn how to paint like the Old Masters using modern materials, you can take the Old Masters Academy online video course. In this course, you will learn how to paint in oil using traditional painting techniques employed by the Old Masters, and with personal support from the course tutor, Natalie Ricci. To begin this artwork, Natalie first transfers the drawing onto the clean watercolor paper sheet, using the tracing paper. To decide which colors to use, you may first test different paints on a spare sheet of paper to see how they complement each other and what type of mixes they produce. The three paints that will be used for this artwork are Indian Gold from a St. Petersburg manufacturer, Payne's Grey, and Alizarin Crimson Lake Extra from Old Holland. To prepare the watercolor paper for the variegated wash, Natalie first wets the reverse side with clean water using a flat, soft, synthetic brush. This is 300 GSM weight paper, so it will take a few minutes for the sheet to soak water and absorb it. After this, turn the sheet over and place it on the plastic board. The wet surface of paper sticks to the plastic nicely, holding the watercolor sheet firmly in place. After this, Natalie applies water onto the face side of the paper sheet. Overall, this process takes about 10 minutes, which allows the watercolor paper to be ready for painting. In the meantime, whilst the paper is still absorbing water, it's time to pre-mix the three pigments. As is apparent from its name, the Alizarin Crimson Lake Extra paint is very transparent.